Hello and welcome to Disco Tortoise. My name is Michelle and today I'm going to be showing you how to make traveller's notebooks. You can make these any size you like, any design you like, any paper you like. Just going to show you a really simple way of making them so that they can go into the traveller's notebook holder that I'll also be making a video about. So I hope you enjoy. Okay. First we're going to start on the cover. You're going to need some pattern paper. I've gone with purple as it's my daughter's favourite colour. And you're going to want to cut a piece that is 8 1/2 by 8 inches long. And then you're going to want to fold it in half along the long side. So you should end up with a piece that is 8 inches by 4 1/4 inches. Okay? Now we're going to round the edges using a punch, or you could just use your scissors. I'm going to distress it a little bit using my Tim Holtz distress ink. Just going to go around the outside. And that's pretty much the cover ready. Obviously you can embellish it a bit more if you want, add glitter, stamps, embellishments, anything you like. I'm just going to go simple because I'm going to be putting it in a cover. Next you're going to need your paper to go inside. You can use cartridge paper, mixed media paper, lined paper, graph paper, regular printer paper, anything you like, whatever you've got to hand really. I took 10 sheets and I cut them at 8 by 7 3/4, so 8 by 7 3/4, and I've scored them or folded them 4 inches. So you end up with a piece that is 4 by 7 3/4, so just a little bit smaller than our cover. Okay. To attach it, you could use staples, but I like to sew mine in. So I'm using a darning needle, so quite a big one, no bend in it, and some embroidery thread. I've gone with purple. You could use any colour you like. You're also going to need some kind of pokey tool or piercing tool, just something to stab some holes. You want to line your paper up, find the middle and pop a hole right through the middle there, just here. And then you want to do one about 1/2 inch from the top, maybe 1 inch from the top, and then the same on the other side. So you should have 3 holes. Now you want to put your paper inside your cover, line it up where you want it, and then pierce through those holes you've just created all the way through the cover, so that now you've got holes in your cover as well. You should have 1, 2, 3 holes. Okay, line that back up. So now you want to take your thread, and we're going to go in the middle one from the outside. Leave yourself a little tail. You're going to go out through one of the end ones, like so. Back in the centre one. And out the other end one. Now I put my needle through this first piece of thread just to make it easier when I'm tightening and tying the knot. So you want to pull these nice and tight. Tie a little knot. Trim your tails off, or leave them, it's up to you. And give it a good press with your bone folder. And there you are, Traveller's Notebook. There's your threads.